Hello everybody and welcome back to another VelociCoaster construction update. Now today is a very special episode because a lot has happened in the last couple of days. And I will show you that coming up, so stay tuned. And no, you won't be able to see it, what I'm about to show you from over at the U-Rest area in Port of Entry. We have to go all the way around the park into Jurassic Park. Okay, I'm getting like really excited right now as we get closer. I'm kind of freaking out right now actually. And no, what I'm not going to show you is behind Mythos, although that would be a cool view of the coaster. No, we still have to walk some more. Moments to wait until this opens up so that we can take the bridge to enter the VelociCoaster. And here's the line for Hagrid. No time for that. I think the app said 75 minutes. And here we go into Jurassic Park. Okay guys, we're almost there. And okay, here it is guys. The big reveal. The walls are down. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. That's crazy. The track goes everywhere, weaving in and out of itself. That's awesome. Okay, so I was just looking through the fence at the coaster right there, but there's also an opening at this gate down here. So we're gonna come and take a look. And look, the waterfall is running. Look at that. That's awesome. That's really awesome. I've waited so long for this, you guys have no idea. So normally this would be stroller parking for River Adventure across the way, but it's still early, so I'm able to come up here and be right at the front. But I mean, look at all that. That waterfall, it just looks so good. So cool. Now, believe it or not, but that is only part one of what I wanted to show you today. We would have to go in here, inside Jurassic Outfitters for part two. And that is VelociCoaster merch. Merch is in, guys. With some stats of the coaster right here. $15 for the mug. Got a ringer tee down here, a sweatshirt. Some more over here. Now here is maybe what I'm gonna get, which is the pass holder exclusive t-shirt. Here's the ringer tee, $30. Okay, and one final view from this side of the VelociCoaster. The Sea Haven area seems to be reopened from its seasonal refurbishment, so let's head back here for a look. And this area back here, as usual, is just gated off, so we can't charge the fence to get any closer, but this still nonetheless is a great view. And they do have that fence now finished with all the foliage, so looks a lot better now.
That's a ZB1?
So I'm standing here and just noticed that the walkway down there is actually all finished, where you would take to enter the ride.
And I heard it too.
Oh man. Guys, I just saw a test. This is a big day for me. You know I've been coming here like every 2 weeks about just hoping for it to test, and I finally got it done. Finally.
On at all times.
Oh, that's cool.
I know, but how could I forget to show this off? But I got the UOAP, the pass holder exclusive VelociCoaster tee. I'll definitely be wearing this to the parks now, from now on. Whoop, oh, steps. Ugh. Here's a good shot that I just now noticed, actually. I believe it's coming. Is it coming? Guys, I am like low-key freaking out right now. This is wild. So I decided to quickly rush back over here to hopefully see it from this side now.
But I talked to the pilot. They're from California. I guess they flew him in here, and he's like, yeah, because we flew this morning without the ride on the track.
Okay, I'm gonna go the other side. You can meet me over here.
Yeah.
So I forgot to mention, but these trash cans are actually themed to the area now. Got some nice dinosaur designs on them. Looks very nice. If you look down there, they have some service lights on down what would be for team members. That is not a guest trail.
That's funny. That's what he said. Going down.
That's this thing right now?
Yeah. We only mixed over that.
What is it?
now I'm coming back behind me though to see that new entrance sign again. Well guys, I believe that's gonna do it for another massive update of the VelociCoaster. New merch. Gotta see it test finally after the few times that I basically literally wasted my whole day waiting on testing and it never happened. So I feel so fortunate for that today. The walls down really offer now the best view to see this thing. And I gotta see it test run constantly, just constantly. Today's video, I had a blast. Didn't ride anything, but that's okay. I met some really cool people too that I hung out with, waiting on VelociCoaster to run. So that was awesome. I was like, my knees were like trembling when it first took off. The first time I saw it testing, I was like, is this a dream? Well, anyway guys, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell icon so you never miss an episode. Go ahead and leave this video with a big thumbs up. It really does help us out. Anyway guys, that's gonna do it from Islands of Adventure. I'll see you again real soon.